things are dynamic in technology, and ICAO also brought up additional features, security features, which we have to comply as early as possible for various reasons. We have series of cross-border issues to deal with, a series of challenges in terms of border security and management. And one of the best ways to do that, in addition to biometrics we had introduced, is to ensure that our passport, contains all these security features, at least to make it foolproof against identity theft and against any criminal using it to sneak into our country.
There are 25 differences between the old and the new passports. Some of them you don't need to know, but those you need to know that are very simple to you. This is the standard passport which everybody holds. You can hold this together with any of this, but you can't hold the three passports together. Any Nigerian citizen can hold this if you are naturalized or Nigerian by birth. But an official of government who works for government from the rank of a deputy director at the federal level and a director at the state level can hold this. This is diplomatic passport dedicated for diplomats, but head of government agencies like ministers hold this passport, but some of them hold it for life. Like Mr. President, whoever is president of Nigeria holds diplomatic passport for life. First, this passport has been divided into three. The standard passport. There will be 32-page booklet for 5 years. It means anybody can apply for this booklet for a period of 5 years, and it will cost 25,000 naira. Abroad, remember we issued this passport in Nigeria and abroad. We have almost 30 missions abroad that issues passport. It will cost $130. And the Honorable Minister has clearly stated no additional figure from anybody, either from mission or from Nigeria. We'll make sure we keep to the official price and pay online, real-time online. You can have this passport in 64 page. It means if you are a frequent traveler, you can have it in 64 page, but still you keep it for 5 years. This is possible. If you are a frequent traveler, you want to take 64 page for 5 years, is okay. Or if you are an old man, you think, I don't need 10 years. 5 years is possible. But for the benefit of doubt, children are not allowed to have this 64 for 10 years. We have introduced 64 page for 10 years, only adult. When you celebrate the age of 18, you can have this passport. It will be good for 10 years. If it is 10 years, you pay 70,000 in Nigeria, and you pay $230 abroad.